touchless door. The LED house of ordinary people. Light glows. Hello friends, Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Adyan's World. Sorry friends, I have some throat problem. Today I have designed a touchless doorbell with a LED for the differently abled person. When a person lives in a silent world, how can he or she hears the doorbell? For such person, I have designed this touchless doorbell. Come on, let's start. For this project, I have used female to male jumper wire, male to male jumper wire, buzzer, 2 LEDs, sensor, nano and breadboard. I have connected A12 to positive, A14 to negative, the basic connection. The sensor VCC to positive, GND to negative, out pin is connected to D5 and LED's negative pin is connected to negative, positive pin is connected to D7 and buzzer negative is connected to negative, positive is connected to D9. Starting the code with Arduino begins. For our code for repeating purpose, if then else code, the hand detected pin is 5, that is, I have connected the sensor out is D5 of the nano, the buzzer pin is D9 and the volume is 100. The LED is connected in D6 of the nano. If the sensor not detects the digital pin, that is the buzzer pin D9, output is low and LED turned off. That's all friends. This is the coding. Let's upload. The upload success. Now I am going to show the hand. See, the buzzer and the LED is working. This type of doorbell can be installed in the house of ordinary people. When someone rings the bell, they can't hear the sound, but they can see the light. For this purpose only, I have used 2 LEDs. We can install more LEDs also, so that one light in the living room, one in the bedroom, one in the kitchen. If the sensor detects, the LED glows, as well as the buzzer alert. It also be used as an environmental safe crackers for Diwali, as it has sound and light. Now I am going to show my hand near the door. The bell rings and the light glows. That's all friends, this is my new invention. I dedicate this to my grandfather. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Adyan from Ilya.